This is a quick video lecture with tools, tips, and techniques for creating online lectures. We've got Blackboard, we've got Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is useful for doing both synchronous meetings as well as recording lectures so that students can attend it asynchronously at a later point in time. PowerPoint, there are several different video capture techniques that we'll look at. And then finally, how to post and share your video.
So here's a very simple setup for a video lecture. I have a set of PowerPoint slides printed out. I have a tripod with a video camera. In a couple of days, we are going to have document readers that will be able to do the same thing, and you'll actually be able to see real-time feedback on the document reader, but cell phone works just fine as well. So with my PowerPoint slides, I have my set of notes for my lecture notes, an outline of what I want to go over. I can flip through the slides, I can point, I can indicate different things, and I can also do derivations, just like I would do on a whiteboard in the course of a lecture. Very simple, very straightforward. You record, you can combine or share files in a video editor, and you're done. Here's what it looks like from the end point of view of the lecture. You have your PowerPoint slides, very easy to indicate different portions of the slide to bring out different points that you would normally do in the lecture. When it comes time for a derivation, I like to have a blank sheet of paper. And then just as you would normally do on the whiteboard, you can derive through your equations. Sharpie works really well because it really stands out a lot better than pencil. You can also use different colors to highlight different portions. So when all is said and done, this is probably as close as possible to the normal flow of your lecture, and is the easiest and most straightforward approach to having an online lecture.
Another option for recording lectures is to do a meeting through Microsoft Teams. So you can have a meeting prearranged to set up for your class, for your particular lecture, for your particular section. You can start a meeting. I will add a lesson, we'll call this lesson 22 test. Meet now. Your camera is automatically recorded. It's possible to share your screen, open up a slideshow that you have, talk through your slideshow. An important step on this is to select Start Recording. If you record your lecture, then at the very end, if you record the meeting, then at the very end, everything will be recorded, and students will be able to return later and watch what was discussed. So after capturing the lecture, it is possible to go back and replay the video. So a student who is going to asynchronously attend your lecture can watch what you discussed. So there's two techniques for creating online content: cell phone camera, and then Teams and using the webcam on your laptop. A third technique, and one that I'm using right now, is to use a screen capture. I'm a particular fan of ShareX, which is an easy-to-use open source tool. Afterwards, you can combine files in a video editor. For example, another easy open source tool is OpenShot. Afterwards, you can upload the videos to either Teams, to SharePoint, or even YouTube, and then provide a link through your Teams classroom section. So that's three simple and easy techniques for creating remote teaching content. These are Rafa's notes on succeeding via remote online teaching. We'll send out these notes this week in an email. There is no expectation that you're going to be as good online or remotely as you are in the classroom. That's okay. Keep it simple, stick with what you're comfortable, and do the best you can, and that's going to be good enough. We'll have some training this week on mechanics of how you do some of the things that were in this video. We've ordered some additional hardware, including document readers and electronic notebooks that will assist with your remote online teaching. So we definitely expect a learning curve. But as always, DFAN, thanks for being awesome.